How to duplicate a scheduled post in Buffer. So first, let's go to your Buffer dashboard and find the post that you want to duplicate in the Queue, Drafts, or the Calendar view. So let's say I'm going to go with my LinkedIn account. So I'm just going to go through to the specific channel to basically sort my posts out. And I want to duplicate this certain scheduled post. And to do that, just navigate to the three dot option right here on the post, which is the More Actions button. And if you click on that, you will see the option to duplicate it. So if you click on that, it will open the Composer. And now you could make your necessary changes for the new version, since Buffer advises against posting exact duplicates according to their help center. So make sure to add changes like text, media hashtags, or other bunch of stuff. After that, just simply select on when to post your duplicate. So I'm just going to click on next available, then click on schedule post. So as you can see, if you click on schedule post without changing anything, this will pop up. So it says it looks like you've posted that one recently. Unfortunately, we're not able to post the same thing again so soon. So you just simply need to change it. So I'm going to add just another text and I'm going to click on schedule post. And as you can see, it has been posted just like that. And that is how I basically duplicate a scheduled post in Buffer.